Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking Chapter 1 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Now focusing on assignment title. Now focusing on the title of assignment XP22 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Renters. You can see here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Now moving on question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, you can download this workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard, your portal. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that you want to format the main title to have a consistent appearance to the other documents and separate sheets. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. Basically in this question, first we will select this range and then we will apply heading 1 cell style to this ranges. Okay, you can select this range A1 to G1, A1 to G1, and moving on Excel workbook. Okay, then enter this range, then click on home tab and then click on cell style. Okay, heading 1 cell style. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that you want to apply a similar complementary style to the date with below the main title. Apply the 20% as one cell style to the range A2 to G2. First we select this range A2 to G2 and then apply 20% as one cell style. Okay, enter this range and then click on home tab and go to cell style. Select 20% as one cell style. Okay. Now moving on question number 4. The peak rental headings is centered over the related data in the column C and D. You want to off peak rental heading to be centered over its related data. Merge and center all peak rentals in the range E4 to G4. Basically in this question, first we select this range and then merge and center this range. You can copy this range E4 to G4. First we copy this range E4 to G4 and then moving on Excel workbook, you can enter this range and then click on home tab and merge and center. Merge and center. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that to help other pupils know that the off-peak rentals heading is related to the 3 columns of data, you want to apply a fill color to the headings. You will choose a different color to distinguish these data column from the fill color used to the peak rental heading. Apply blue fill color and white background 1 font color to cell E4. First we will select cell E4, then apply go to the fill color and then apply blue fill color and then go to the background 1 font color, then click on font color and then select white background 1. Okay, first we will select cell E4. Moving on Excel workbook, then you can select cell E4, then click on fill color, blue fill color. You can select blue fill color Here is blue fill color. Okay, and then go to the font color and background 1 font color. Go to the font color and then select background 1 font color. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on customer 6. Customer 6 is that the headings maximum revenue and discount rate do not fully display on the fifth row. Instead of widening the column, you want to wrap the heading within their respective cells. This will enable you to maintain the columns with appropriate for the data below the heading. Okay, center and wrap the heading on row 5. Click on row 5 and center and wrap the text. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Select row 5. First we select wrap text and then go to alignment tab and then center the alignment. Okay, wrap text and then click on center. You can select center this. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is that the heading in D5 and F5 wrap within words because the column are too narrow. You will within those columns and center the number of units below its column headings. Set the weight of column D and F to 10.0. Select the ranges B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. Okay, first we select column D to F and then change the width of this column F. Right click on this column width and then change this data. Column width is 10.00, then press OK. Okay, then click on cell D, column D, right click on this and you can change with 10.00, then press OK. Width will be changes of column E and D. Okay, select the range B6 to B8 and then horizontally center the data. First we will select this range and then horizontally center the data. Okay, you can select first this range and then horizontally center the data. Click on alignment and then here is horizontally and right click on this and then click on this and you can select center. Then press OK. It will be horizontally center the data. Then press OK. It's done now. You can see there. It will be changed. Okay, now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that insert a row above the one bedroom suite in cell A7, tap Ocean's View Studio in cell B7 and then tap 4 in cell C7 and tap 275 in cell E7 and tap 200. Okay, basically in this step we will have to insert a new row, insert a row above one bedroom suite. Moving on Excel workbook, then we will have to insert a row, one bedroom suite. Right click on this and then insert the row. Okay, click on insert, row will be inserted. Then you can put this data. Ocean View in cell A7, Ocean View Studio in cell A7. You can copy this and then click on cell A7 and you can put this data in cell A7. Click and then tap Ocean View Studio in formula bar. Okay, then tap 4 in cell B7. You can tap 4 in cell B7, 4, and then tap 275 in cell C7 and 200 in E7. You can copy and tap in cell C7, 275 and then 200 in cell E7. 200 and cell E7 200, then press enter. Okay, now moving on customer 9. Customer 9 is that find you want to change suit to apartment in the list. Okay, find occurrences of suit and replace them with occurrence of apartment. Find occurrences of suit and replace them with occurrences of apartment. Okay, suit replace with apartment. Copy this suit. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on Home tab, then click on Find and select. Click on Find and select. Okay, find and replace with suit with apartment. Find and replace. Find with find what suit and then replacement with apartment. Replacement with apartment. Okay, replace all done. We made 2 replacement, then press OK and then close this box. Okay, close this. Okay, question is done now. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that you are ready to calculate the peak rental maximum revenue that can be earned. The maximum revenue is that total revenue is if it all rental units are rented. In cell D6, enter a formula that calculates the peak rental maximum revenue. Basically in this step, we will have to enter a formula in cell D6 enter that calculates the peak rental maximum revenue. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell D6, then press is equal to, then enter a formula peak rental value. Okay, daily no units, then multiplying by daily rates, then press enter. It will be show maximum revenue. You can see here. Now moving on customer 11. Customer 11 is that you are ready to calculate the off-peak rental maximum revenue that can be entered. The maximum revenue in the total revenue is total units are rented in cell F6. Enter a formula that calculates the off-peak rental maximum value. Basically in this step we will have to enter a formula in cell F6 to calculate off-peak rental maximum revenue. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell F6. First we press is equal to, enter is equal to, then enter a formula. No units multiply by off-peak rental value daily rates. Off-peak rental value daily rates, then press enter. Okay, I have done 11 questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.